What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and Plasti Dip the grill on your F30 BMW. So I assume most of you already know what Plasti Dip is if you searched up this video, but in case you don't, this is just rubber coating spray. No, I'm not repainting the grill. This stuff is flexible, it doesn't crack in bad weather, and if you want to remove it, you can just peel it right off. If you want to practice on something else, you can just grab any piece of plastic, spray it, see how it turns out, see if you like it before you do it on your car. My grill is already black and the Plasti Dip is also black, so why would I be doing this? Well, mine's a gloss finish. This is going to give me a nice matte finish. I think matte black looks a little bit better than gloss black. Gloss black to me only looks good if it's completely clean, and it's kind of hard to keep it clean sometimes. So I'm going to remove the grill for this, but you don't really have to. You can kind of just tape around the grill and do it while the grill is still on the car. To remove the grill, you start by pulling off this rubber piece. After that, you need a T25 and a T30, so you use the T25 for the outside screws, which are a little bit smaller, and then the T30 for the inside screws. After you remove the screws, pull the top of the bumper out a little bit to access the back of the grill. The grill is held in by these clips, so you have 3 on the bottom, 3 on top, and 1 on each side. To remove the grill, you push down on the center part and pull the grill outward. It's easier if you do one at a time and go in order. If you have to force it too hard, you might be doing it wrong. You don't want to break these clips. Now here's the car without its front teeth. Still looks better than the G22 4 Series. After you remove the grill, you want to make sure it's completely clean. You don't want any dust, dirt, or anything on there, so I just got my basic car wash stuff and cleaned both sides of the grill. After you finish cleaning the grill, make sure it's completely dry. I just use some microfiber towels and dry both sides of the grill. So here's what the grill looks like when it's completely clean. It has a nice glossy finish, but I think the gloss black only looks good when it's completely clean, and it's hard to keep it clean, especially where I live. So that's why I'm gonna spray it matte black. Start by shaking the can. On the back of the can it says to shake for 1 minute, so I just got my phone out, set the timer for 1 minute, and shook it. After you're done shaking it, you're ready to start spraying. First, make sure you're out of direct sunlight when you're doing this, and keep the can about 6 to 10 inches away from the grill when you're spraying. If you get too close, it's going to start sagging down. Okay, so the first coat has been applied. I waited a half hour for it to dry. Now I'm going to do the process all over again. I'm going to shake the can and spray it the same way, and I'm going to do this 3 more times. Now here's the last coat. I put 4 total, and after you put the last coat, you want to let it dry for 4 hours. You can see some of the Plasti Dip got on the floor just outside the towel, and that's okay. You can clean that out really easily with just a washcloth. While you wait for the kidney grills to dry, this would be a great time to go back and clean up all those parts that you usually wouldn't get clean while doing a normal car wash. After you finish cleaning it, you can put the bumper back together because you don't need it taken apart to insert the grill at the end. Alright, here's the finished product. So it went from a glossy finish to a nice matte black finish, and if you don't like how it turned out, you can just peel it right off. To put the grill back in, you just line up the clips and pop the grill in. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Please give the video a like, subscribe, because I have a lot more videos coming.